side, watching raindrops paint the empty streets tonight. Sometimes I still imagine you standing there like you used to do, and this quiet rain keeps falling down, asking questions all around. Are you really doing fine? Did you leave her all behind? But every answer fades away whenever I hear your name. On a rainy day, your name spins around my lips, then slips away. I can't call you back, I can't let you go. Tonight they're pouring through my soul again. That little street we used to walk, sharing one umbrella while we talked. Everything still looks the same, but now I'm walking through the rain alone again. The day you said goodbye to me, the sky was crying just like this. I still remember reaching out with trembling hands I couldn't resist. And every road leads back somehow to a place without you now. On a rainy day, your name spins around my lips, then slips away. I can't call you back, I can't let you go. Tonight they're pouring through my soul again. If I could turn back time, would it hurt a little less? I carry all these late regrets like shadows on my chest. Words you'll never hear from me fall apart into the disappear before they reach your heart again. On a rainy day, your name breaks apart and drifts away. I can't call you back, I can't send you on your way. Thought the only thing remaining was regret, but tonight it falls as tears I can't forget. And the rain keeps falling down like you're still somewhere